Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to create more than one materials in your walls. Go to wall, then wall architectural, then go to edit type, then let's duplicate it, let's name it 0.4. After that press on OK. Then go to structure, press on edit, then let's make 3 inserts. The first one, let's make it 0.1, and the second one the same, 0.1, and the last one is 0.2. And here in materials we have by categories. Let's change the first one. We want it wood. Let's choose this one or this one, then press OK. And the second one, let's make it concrete. In the middle, let's choose this one, then press OK. And the last one, the other side, select it, let's make it brick. Let's choose this one, then press OK, then OK. Then draw your walls. Let's draw it like this. Let's make it texture and realistic so it looks better. Let's make it 1 to 1. Then go to 3D. Let's make it also realistic. And let's make it 1 to 1. And it will look like this. The first side is wood, then we have concrete, and the last one is brick.